Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Uber Eats payment error. So if you have this payment error issue, so what you can do, some basic fix. First of all, simply open up your Play Store and then search for Uber Eats and see if there is an update to your app. So for example, here there's an update. So if you see an update, so what you have to do is simply hit on update and then update your ad. So as the basic procedures, just update it and this should fix up the issue. And then if you're still having issues, then or if there is no update with on your app, so what you can do is simply go to settings, open up settings and search for Uber Eats. Okay, so search for Uber Eats and then open up the app settings here, and then what you're going to do, you're going to click on this storage option here, and then what you have to do now is hit on clear cache. So click on it and then clear the cache and then just restart the app, and that should fix up the issue. So hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.